top 5 Ninja Fit problems and how to fix them. Got a Ninja Fit throwing a fit? Let's walk through the 5 most common issues and how to fix them quickly. Number 1. It powers on but won't start. If the base hums but the blades don't spin, make sure the cup tabs are aligned with the base grooves and press straight down, all the way, not tilted. That physical engagement is the power switch. Clean out any debris. Dried smoothie bits often block proper contact. If pressing down doesn't engage after cleaning, your cup tabs might be worn. Replace the cup to restore reliable switching. Number 2. Blade not spinning or jammed. If nothing happens when you press, remove the blade base by twisting it off. Inspect underneath for jammed food. Seeds, frozen fruit, or thick pulps are common culprits. Rinse or brush out residue, reseat the blade base, tighten, and press firmly to engage driving force again. Number 3. Cup leaking at the thread. If liquid leaks during blending, unscrew and thoroughly clean the threads and gasket. Even tiny residue can cause leaks. Reassemble with steady, gradual tightening to seat the gasket properly. Ongoing leaks, the seal may be worn. Switch to a fresh gasket set for a tight, no-drip seal. Number 4. Burning or electrical smell mid-blend. If you detect a burning or chemical smell while blending, stop blending and let the unit sit for 15 minutes. Heat can trigger a safety cutoff. Avoid long continuous blends. Use short pulses, especially for dense or frozen mixes. A dull or dragging blade can strain the motor. If it smells again, replace the blade base to restore smooth performance. Number 5. Mold under the blade seal. If you smell mildew or see dark residue under the seal, remove the gasket from the blade base. Wash it thoroughly with warm soapy water. If mold persists, soak it in straight white vinegar for 10 minutes. Then rinse well and fully air dry. Overnight is best. Persistent stains or odor? The gasket replacement set linked below is the quick, reliable fix. If this helped keep your Ninja Fit running strong, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for practical tips that actually work. And if you want a fresh start on seals and leaks, check the gasket replacement set linked below. It restores tight seals fast. Thanks for watching, and blend smart.